Hello and how are you? Welcome to our other WordPress video. We're going to proceed from where we stopped at in the previous video. In the previous video, we got introduced to WordPress themes, and today we're going to proceed from there. As we said before, WordPress themes, they help us to make our website look much more clear and having much more appealing interfaces. So today we're going to go much more deep and look at more details of how to get themes into our websites. So as we've defined it, themes can be found under appearance, then themes. That's where you can find themes. So here you'll find the themes that you have installed. Okay, when you just go to appearance and themes on the first page, you'll find the themes that are already in your website. So your themes may not look like mine at this moment. Why? Because for me, I've already installed multiple themes in my website. But if you want to add more themes into your website, what you do, you just simply come to appearance, then themes, then you'll see the add new button here. So when you click on that add new button, you'll be able to browse the free themes that are provided by developers who are contributing to WordPress community. So you'll find here themes that are free. So to install such a theme, you just simply click on install, and then the theme will come into your into your website. For example, this is a theme called Color Mag. So if you want to preview it first, how to look like on your website, you just simply click on preview. So when you click on preview, they'll temporarily display how the things are going to look like in your website in case you install that theme into your website. For example, I clicked on preview, and you see this is how my website will literally look like. So that's a free theme, and there are so many. And in case you want to browse them by categorizing, you can simply click here, and then you'll see the latest themes. You can click here, you'll see your favorite theme that you've liked before. And if you click here, you can filter themes by functionalities. Or for example, you can filter themes by subject. For example, you want blog themes, you click here, then you'll see blog themes. You want e-commerce themes. Now you can also filter themes by features. You want themes with custom colors, the custom headers, you can do it from here. Then you can also filter themes by by layouts. So it means that there are free themes that are already existing that we can really use into our WordPress websites. So despite putting those themes of the free ones that I've shown you how you can access them, putting them aside, there are also other premium themes. Premium themes are themes that are for sale. So in case you want to get a theme that is really extraordinary compared to these free themes, then you may need to purchase a WordPress theme and then you install it into your WordPress website. So I'm going to show you how you can hunt for a good theme that is going to work for your website. First of all, there is a very popular market that is used for selling themes. It's called Theme Forest. Okay, Theme Forest. So in Theme Forest, I think this is the #1 in the world where you can find different themes of WordPress. So if you go to Google and search for Theme Forest, you'll be able to browse different popular themes. So depending on what you want your website to be used for, if it is a news website, if it is a blog website, or a portfolio, or an e-commerce website, first determine what you want your website to look like. Then after, for example, let me say I want to create an e-commerce website. What will I do? I'll just simply come to Google and type in e-commerce best WordPress website. Themes, okay? E-commerce best WordPress themes. So there you'll find some lists of people who are trying to suggest the best theme that you can do for your e-commerce website. So before you go ahead and purchase theme, first look at the review of what people are talking about those themes. For example, here at ColorRib, they will tell you some themes. For example, this theme Divi, tag Divi. There's this one called Javelin. There's this one called Webify. So you can first explore and look if the theme will really work for you, because before you do what? Before you go ahead and purchase a theme. So for example, if you want your website to look like this, you can first read its capability. There will be a sample, and then you go and read its sample. If it's really working for you, then you can go ahead and do what? And purchase that theme. So if, for example, you see there's a demo here, okay, I think it's out of time, okay. So that's how you can hunt for what? For right theme. So I was saying that there is this popular market for selling themes. It's called Theme Forest. So come to Theme Forest and then come to and click on WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, you see sub-menu where they are giving you options whether you want a popular theme, the most popular themes, the themes which for creativity, the themes for e-commerce, the education theme. So these are different categories that you may do what? That you may need. So if I click, I want only the popular items or the popular themes. So you'll see they're the most popular themes that are there for WordPress. There's this one called Avada. There's this one called Flatsum. Yeah, Flatsum. In fact, I'll show how to use that. It's very popular. I also have a copy of it. There is another one called the 7. So there are really many. There are really many. But before you purchase one, you have to do what? You have to determine one that will really work for you, and then you go ahead and purchase one. So for example here, click there on live preview. They will show you a theme how to look like when you are using it in your what? In your website. Okay, so that is how you can hunt for themes. This one's called Brooklyn. It's really a powerful theme. I know it. And in case you want to look at their demo website, click on this one. It's really powerful theme. And they sell it how much? It is sold $60 US. Okay, so you can go ahead and purchase it at 60 USD. So it's called Brooklyn. So example, you see something like that. When you open the website, you see you have the portfolios there. Then you have the content. So it's really powerful theme. So there are so many powerful themes that you can find out there on your own, depending on what you want to use your website for. So that's a simple introduction about themes, and you know that we have the free themes and themes that are used for sale. So in case you want to get a free theme, then go for it. If you want to get a theme that is for sale, then still look for a theme that is really going to work for you from these techniques that I've given you, and then go ahead and purchase it. And then after you've purchased it, then I'm going to show you how you can take it away from there. So that's how you find sample themes, and that's how you filter for popular themes from Theme Forest. And then once you have landed on a theme that you really want, you can go ahead and do what? And purchase it. So once you purchase a theme, that theme will put it into your what? Into your cart. So for example, me, I've already purchased some themes. So if I want to download the theme that I've already purchased, I just simply come here and then click to my downloads. So when I click to my downloads, I'll find a list of themes that I do what? That I already purchased. So if I want to download this one, I just simply click on download. Then I'll see the download all the files and documentations here. Or download all installable for WordPress. So if I want to download this one, I can click there, and then I'll be able to get the what? The file with its license. I purchased this one. How much do I still remember? I purchased this one at, I forgot even the price. So okay, so the main point is I purchased some themes, and you can also as well purchase themes. So once you purchase themes and they are here, it means that you can go ahead and download them. Okay, so once you download the theme, they'll give you what? They'll give you zip files. Okay, so once you have your zip files in your computer, so the next thing will be now to upload those themes into your WordPress website and start using them. So there is a theme that I have that we're going to use for demonstration. We'll use it for learning purposes. Okay, so I'll share the files of these themes with you, and I'll put the link in the description of this video where you can download these theme files. And you just use them for practice. Don't use them for production work like business. No, we'll use them for what? For learning. Okay, so I'll assume I've purchased the theme that I want, that is going to work for me, and then it is now the time to proceed into my WordPress website and set up that particular theme that I've purchased. So this is my website, but it looks a little bit messy because I was using it for practicing, for preparing a lecture. You see, this is the website. It's kind of messy, really. It does not have the much sense of what you need. So what we're going to do, we are going to reset this WordPress website so that we can be able to do what? We can be able to. So let's go ahead and clear everything in our website so that it should be as new as it was in the beginning. So I'll come to the application. So if you want to clear everything in your website, you will need one more plugin called WP Reset. So I'm going to come to my website, to my plugins. So you click on dashboard, then plugins, then you click on add new. So we're going to add a plugin that's going to enable us to delete everything in our website. So we'll go ahead and search for WP-reset. Okay. So when you search for WP Reset, you'll see a plugin that will help you to reset your website. It is here. So I'm going to activate it because it was already in my website. I'd already installed it. So what I'm going to do is just to activate it. So I click there to activate it, and it will load, and the plugin is now active. So once it is active, that plugin, you'll find it here under tools. Okay, under tools, and then you'll find WP Reset. So when you click on WP Reset, you'll see this interface that will allow us to reset our website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset it here, and to reset the website, you just type here the word reset, and then click on reset the website. So by doing like that, the website will be reset. But for now, it is not reset. It is not reset yet. This is how it looks like, right? It looks like this. It looks like this for now. So let's go ahead and reset it. So I'll click on WP Reset, reset WordPress website, and then click on reset, and then I click reset WordPress. So it will process and delete and deactivate all the themes and this other thing that was there. So if I will refresh my website, you see it looks like I've just installed it right now. I've just started the website right now. So that is how we reset our WordPress website. So now we're going to add now our first premium theme. So we see how we can deal with themes. So to add a theme, as I said before, you come to appearance, then a section of themes. So there you'll be able to browse the themes that are meant for free, and it is where you can also upload your local theme, and is where you can also upload your local theme and do what? And use it in your website. So if you want a free theme, just click there and then be able to do what? To search for a free theme that you want. But since for me I already have a theme, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload this theme. So I will share with you these theme files, but as I said, you'll use that theme only for what? For learning purposes. Don't use it for commercial. So the theme that you will download, then the link that I'll put in the description of this video, will be something like this. Okay, it's called Porto Theme. Porto Theme. Just called Porto Theme. Okay, so it is here. This is the zip file that you will download. You will download it and then upload it in your website. You'll first, in fact, there are two. This theme and the plugin. This plugin and the theme. So on the file that you'll get a theme and a plugin. So you download both of them, install the theme, and also install the plugin. So after doing that, now the next thing that we're going to do, we are going to upload this theme. Okay, so to upload that theme, you just simply come to your appearance, then themes, then click on on add new. So when you click on add new, you'll see the button of upload theme appearing. So click on upload theme, and then they'll give you a place where you can select the theme. So you click there and you look for the theme that you want to upload, and it should be already in your computer. Don't upload things that you don't have. Okay, so this is my theme, porto.zip, this one. So I'll go ahead and click open to download it, to upload it. So it will take time for it to upload, but for me I already have it, so I don't need to upload it again. But those are the steps that we use to upload a theme. So make sure that you download that theme from the link that I've provided in the description of this video, and also the plugin that I'll provide, and then upload the theme here and the plugin to the other side. So once you do that, you can as well first learn about the theme. It's called Porter theme. You can first learn about it. It is here. Click there, and then you can go through it. As I said that before you decide, you have to first look at what you want to buy or what you want to use. So press through the theme and see the demo content. For example, this is for business and the rest. You see, this is the business demos. So there are so many demos. Okay, so you can go through them and see the one that will work for you. Okay, so these are the demo websites. Okay, and you can install them. So I'll assume that at this moment you have successfully uploaded your theme. So once you uploaded that theme, and one more thing that you'll have to upload is the theme plugin. So functionality plugin. So go ahead and come to plugins and click on upload, add new, and then click on upload. Then also go ahead and upload that plugin that I will share with you in the description of this link. This plugin, Porter functionality, you upload it here. So once you upload it here, then it means that you will be now good to go. So this is the Porter theme. You can come and look through it. So the next thing that we're going to do right now is now to activate the theme. Once you install the theme, it doesn't mean that the theme has been activated. No, it will be there in your themes archives, but while it's not activated. So the next thing that we're going to do is to activate the theme. So to activate the theme, you just simply come to theme, appearance in themes, then click on the theme that you want to activate, and then you'll see the activate button down here. So once you click the activate button, it means that this theme is going to be set as the current theme operating your website. So you see our website, how it looks like before the theme was installed. Where is it? I've already closed it. But you saw how our website looks like before the theme was installed. So after doing that, you see the next thing they're telling us to activate the plugin or functionality for Porter theme. So I click on activate installed. Okay, activate installed, or you can just simply come to plugins, and then you make sure that you activate the other plugin that we uploaded. It's called Porter theme, Porter functionality, this one here. So let me go ahead and do it and activate it. So it's activated. So if I go to my main website now, let me go to the main website. You can see our website is there. It has changed, but it's not that much changed. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to install the dummy content, okay, or how to set up your theme. So every theme has its way of handling things, of how the procedures that they take for you to set up your website. So you just need to be creative and learn how to follow the wizard, so that you should be able to do that, set your website. So I'm going to come to my website, and then I'm going to click on appearance, or you can click on Portal. Then you'll be able to get the dashboard. Okay, so click on a wizard, setup wizard. So here on setup wizard, it is where you'll do what? You'll set the theme. But before you come to setup wizard, okay, you come to setup wizard. So our theme is okay, so we're going to click on let's go. So I click on let's go. The theme will consider to be activated right now. So I click on next. Now these are the things that we may need to set. Sometimes here you may get a lot of errors. So you have to see how you fix these errors until there is no warning. For example, upload folder writable, this is okay. WP file system is okay. So zip archive is okay. Then PHP memory, it is okay. But sometimes you may find a warning here at PHP memory. So if you find a warning at PHP memory, what you do is to set the memory, the recommended memory for your PHP website. For this website that they recommend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to set up that memory. So what you do to increase or to modify the things in your cPanel, I mean, on your website, on your hosting, you see, this is the theme that we're going to work with, okay? So if you want to increase the memory, so what you do, you have to first log into your cPanel. For example, me, I'm hosting with this company called hostingbangladesh.com, and then I'm going to log in, and then I'll be able to do what? To increase the memory of my application, of my website. So I'll go ahead and log in, and then I'll go to my services, and then I'll go to the services sales, and then I'll go to login to cPanel. So when I click on login to cPanel, it will take me to my cPanel, and in the first videos I explain what is meant by cPanel and the rest. So look for PHP editor, in editor, I think it's in editor, I don't even remember. PHP in editor there, and then select the website that you want to edit. For example, if you want to edit this particular website, for example, this is the one, you select it, and then you'll be able to see the variables here that they ask you to change. For example, here they asked us to set the memory limit at least to 256. So you just come and search it here. You see, memory limits. It should be at least to 256. So I can go ahead and change it from here. Okay. So it's 128, but I can change it from here to 56. So the next thing, they're asking that the max execution time should be more than 300. So I'll come and search here. You see max execution time, I can make it maybe 6,000. Okay, and what else? So you can change all these ones. See, for example, the max variables and the rest, you can change all that. Okay, max variables and the rest. Let me make this one 6,000. Okay, so this is where you change things from. So I'll go ahead and apply the settings. So once they apply, so you can come here and refresh. You should see at least things that I've done what? I've improved. Can you see? Now I have good everywhere. So you set from here, you get the issues from here, and then you can set them from this side of the cPanel and the in editor. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and say next. So when I click on next, they'll ask me to create a child theme for this. Skip it, it's not required. Then after, they'll ask me to activate some important plugins. So if you already have plugins, they'll not ask you to do so. I mean, if you don't have plugins, they'll ask you to do what? To install them. But for me, already having them, I'm just going to activate them. So I'm going to select this one, and this one, and this one. I'll skip Elementor, I'll skip Visual Composer, I'll activate this one, WooCommerce, and then Dynamic. So I can even leave the WooCommerce for now, okay? So you see what I've activated, this, and this, and this, and this. So we'll begin with the WP Bakery, but later we'll also come to what? Elementor. Those are editors, the user interface editors. So I'll go ahead and do what? And click on continue. So when I click on continue, these plugins will start being activated or installed just in case. So they're being activated. Okay, so they've been activated. So after them being activated, so you can now come here and set your logo. In case you want to change the logo, you can change it from there. So now after doing that, now the next thing is to import the demo data or the dummy data. So this data is what is going to look in your how you want your website to look like. So most themes, they give you designs, and so that they should simplify your work of creating a website. They create for you existing websites or some designs, and then from those demos you just install them and then start modifying what you want. So it makes the creation of the website very, very much more easier. So there are so many demos. You can first go and check them where they are. For example, this one. So when you click on it, you can see how it looks like. And if you want to see how it looks like, just click on live preview. They'll take you to that website. So you can check it. It is their website. They created it just as a demo. So in case you want a website to begin designing your website while it is already looking like this, you can go ahead and install it and then your website will begin by looking like this. Okay, so my internet is not that fast today. You can go ahead and play with those websites before you do it, before you install any. Or we first check them properly before you do what? Install them. You see, that's the website that they want us to what? To begin with. So if you like it, you can go ahead and install it. See, that's the website. Okay, so you can begin with this one. It's just up to you. Okay, so I'm going to set up one. I don't know which one even. Let me come here to classic, and then maybe I select corporate 9. This one. Okay, this one. I don't know how it looks, but I don't know. Let's begin with this. Okay, so if I want to install it, I'll just simply click on it, and once I click on it, I select the editor. So the editor, let it be WP Bakery. Okay, WP Bakery, and then use the alternative mode to import the dummy data. Okay, so I click on alternative and then import. So this is going to take some minutes, it's going to take some time to do what? To import. It did not, but because for me I think I had already imported it before, so it did not take so much time, but it takes time. Okay, it is going not to take time. Okay, so let us wait for it to finish. It may take even some minutes. Let us wait for it to finish, and then we resume the business. Okay, so I'll pause the video for a minute. So it has finished installing. Now the next thing is I can preview the website. So if I click on visit the website, boom, so you can see things looks really much more better, just like a complete what? Like a complete website. So making a website, it is that easy. It is that easy. And you see, that's the work that you've just done. So it means that you have set up a website and we have somewhere to begin from. The sliders, the templates of the homepage. So our work is going to be, the menu is already there. So our work is going to be just to do what? To modify the website. Okay, that's going to be just our job, to modify the website. So that is how premium themes are really important. Okay, because they give you dummy data that you can always begin with, and then the remaining tasks just becomes easy for you. So along the way, you can go ahead and play with everything and make sure that you're good to start with everything. So let us begin with customizing the website. Customizing the website. I don't know whether that should be maybe the next video, where we're going to begin and see how we can set the title. This header, where we look at how we can also modify the pages themselves using WP Bakery or page builder. I think that should be the next video. Yeah, let's be the next video. Just on this video, make sure that you install the theme that I've shared with you properly. You install the plugin, and you install some demo data of your choice. Don't choose data with e-commerce. Choose just plain data, because e-commerce is the one that is following. I've not covered it. So come here to classic and choose some classic website. Okay, and then in the next class, so you're going to see how we can modify this content. So I hope you'll not miss. So let us meet in the next class, and goodbye. So the link of this theme is going to be in the description of this video, and the plugin as well. So see you in the next class, where we're going to see now how we can modify this website and make it anything that we want. So bye.